English level 2. Content. Introduce myself, talk about my trip experience in Melgar, the weather in Melgar, and recommendation if you go to Melgar. This is me. I am Lilian Silvana Alfonso. I was born in Bogota and I still live in Bogota. I am manicurist. I am single. I live with my mother, my sister, and stepfather. There is also Fruna or pet. I like eat fruits, dance, and make you. Okay, let's go continue with my trip experience in Melgar. Stage 1. Last month I went to Melgar. I went with my mother, my stepfather, and other family of my stepfather. I like because it was cheap and just paid 30,000 for the page. I like it because the first night we celebrate the birthday of one grandmother. Then we went to a part of Melgar and ate ice cream with much ice. And the second day went very fine because we played much in the pool and the weather were very refreshing. I like a lot. I came back with my mother because she started working the last month and I study. Okay, the weather in Melgar is perfect for me. This is warm and sunny. Okay, recommendation. I recommend wearing comfortable shoes. I recommend wear our clothes with fresh fabrics. It is necessary that you drink a lot of water. It is recommended that take a fan to your hand. It is important that use umbrella to protect from the rays suns. It is important to take breaks. I recommend that you carry a small towel. It is important to use public transport. Finishing, stage 3 should or should not. I should avoid drinks or dairy foods. Okay, you should not go in the mornings and you should try walking in the shade always. Okay, thanks.